All right, so if you missed number 30, let's go back and look at it. In the first stanza, we should give first stanza a circle. The poet suggests that one reason the poplar is not useful is that it. Okay, so why is the poplar not useful is what I'm looking for here based on stanza 1 only. I'm going to go back and reread stanza 1. The poplar is a lonely tree. It has no branches spreading wide. Okay, I'm going to give that a circle now because wide is now an important word because that sounds like a reason why it's not useful. Where birds may sing or squirrels hide. It throws no shadows on the grass, tempting the wayfarers who pass to stop and sit there quietly. So I'm seeing no shadows, no big branches so that squirrels and birds can hide there. And no shade so people can sit there. All right? So I'm just going to go through these. Does it lose its leaves in the fall? Okay, that is not mentioned in stanza 1. G, does not provide much protection for others. Okay, that seems like it could be right because shade is kind of protection from the sun. And it says that birds and squirrels don't hide there. They can't hide there because they don't have branches. If you're hiding something somewhere, you probably need protection. That so far sounds the best. Does not grow very tall. Okay, that could be because it says spreading wide. Okay, but that's not tall, and it's not giving shadows. So maybe it doesn't grow very tall. I'm going to leave that one. And it grows in areas where few other things live. Okay, that's not right. Because looking back up, it's not that other things don't live there, it's just that they're not stopping in the poplar. So I'm between G and H here. And I'm already leaning towards G because it says, H says does not grow very tall. Okay, the only thing said in the passage is spreading wide. Wide is not tall, and it says something about not having shade. Again, that doesn't have anything to do with being tall. Also, I'm going to get rid of H because if I look over at the picture of the poplar, it looks like they do grow tall. They just don't grow wide. So the best answer here is going to be G.